Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to install Ansible on the control node, and this is going to be the last video of the Ansible playlist, okay, in which we are going to discuss how to install the Ansible on our control node, and then we will discuss some Ansible cheat codes, okay, some handy commands which you should know while using Ansible, okay. So guys, let's get started to our last video of the playlist. Steps to install Ansible. Okay, if you are using an Ubuntu machine, then the commands will be you have to just update all the packages sudo apt update, then sudo apt install software-properties-common. Okay, it will install all the common properties. Then you have to add the repository of the Ansible. Okay, so next command will be sudo add -apt -repository -yes hyphen update ppa :ansible /ansible. It will add the Ansible repository to your repository. Okay, then you have to run sudo apt install Ansible, then it will install the Ansible. Okay, after that, the second step will be you have to generate your SSH key. You have to use the command SSH hyphen keygen. Then you have to specify four things. It will pop up four things for you. You have to select everything default. Okay, press enter, 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 enter. And in the fourth option, it will ask, do you want to enter any passphrase, in which you will be selecting again enter means no by default. Okay, after entering four times, your SSH public key and private key will be generated. Okay, then you can use Ansible. Okay, you have to just specify your public key and you can log in. Your public key should be whitelisted on the managed nodes. Then you can run all the Ansible playbook using your control node. Your control node public key should be present in the SSH keys of the managed nodes. Okay, the user should be created, or in the authorized keys of the managed node, your public key of the control node should be present. Then you can run the command ansible -" version to check the Ansible version. Okay, guys. So what are the commands you need? You have to execute the four commands: sudo apt update, sudo apt install software property common. Then you have to add the Ansible repository. Then you have to install the Ansible. And after install Ansible, you have to generate your SSH key so that you can authenticate to the managed node using a public key of the control node. And your public key of the control node should be whitelisted at the authorized keys of the managed node so that you can successfully log into the managed node. Managed node using which protocol, guys? 22. 22 port is for which process, guys? SSH. Okay. Then you will be running check Ansible version. What will be the command for checking the Ansible version? Ansible hyphen version or Ansible hyphen version. Okay, guys. So let's move on to the cheat codes of Ansible. Okay, guys. Ansible some cheat codes, some handy commands which you should know. Okay, Ansible hyphen playbook, then the playbook name, then hyphen list hyphen host. What this command will do? It will execute a dry run of your Ansible script. It will not go and execute your Ansible script, your Ansible playbook. It will just do a dry run and show you what will be the output. What will be the output of your Ansible playbook if you run those Ansible playbook on the listed host servers. Okay, got it, guys? Okay, it will just do a dry run if you use the first command. Second command is just checking the syntax of your playbook. It will just check the syntax. Is your file following all the parameters? If it is passing the proper YML parameters, is it violating any colon or any space? Is there any extra space, or present at any line. It will do all the syntax validation in this step. Okay, so Ansible hyphen playbook hyphen syntax hyphen check, and then what will be the name of the your playbook will be present. Okay, guys. Okay. So what we did, if you want to do a dry run, you will use hyphen list. Okay. So what you will do, hyphen list host. Okay, guys. It will get the information. If you do hyphen list, what it will do, it will get the information of the host and it will list you the host in the first command. And in the second command, it will check the syntax. In the third command, we already learned in the previous slide about Ansible what how to create a password.yml, how to encrypt a password.yml, how to view a, a credential file, how to edit a password file. Okay. Then the last command is really important is how to run a playbook. Will be Ansible hyphen playbook hyphen I, then the inventory file path, then the test playbook.yml. Okay, hyphen I, then specify the inventory path, and then the playbook path. Playbook path you can specify, or if you are in the path in which Ansible playbook is present, you have to just specify the name of your Ansible playbook. Okay, guys, got it? Thank you guys for attending my Ansible playlist. If you can follow the official link of the Ansible if you want to learn any advanced topics apart from the topic which I have covered. Where I have covered all the main topics used in the industry, asked in the interviews. All the concepts are already covered in my playlist, Ansible playlist. If you want to learn any further concept, any advanced concept of Ansible apart from interviews or apart from your day-to-day works in the IT industry, if you want to explore more about Ansible, you can definitely go to this link, official doc of Ansible, and learn some core concepts, some advanced concepts also. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos if you like.